In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Freshdesk into your website using their Help widget. This process will not only enhance user experience by providing easy access to support, but also streamline the way you handle customer inquiries. Let's dive into the process, and I'll guide you through each step with clarity and precision. First, let's begin in the Freshdesk dashboard. Once you're logged in, guide yourself to the Admin section. Under this menu, you'll see an option labeled Channels, and from there, click on Widgets. This is where you'll create and configure your widget according to the needs of your website. Freshdesk allows you to enable various features within this widget, such as solution articles and a contact form, both useful tools to facilitate customer support directly on your site. Take a moment here to carefully set these options in a way that aligns well with the support experience you want to offer. Once your widget is set up, it's time to get the embed code. Navigate over to the Embed Code tab within the widget settings, where you'll find the code you need to add to your website. Simply copy this code, and we're halfway there. For this demonstration, we'll focus on embedding this widget in a Shopify website. Begin by heading to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once there, locate the Online Store section in the menu and click on it. Next, find Themes and click on it. On the right side, you'll find an ellipsis icon, represented by 3 dots. Click this and choose Edit Code. This will open up the theme files for editing. Now, find and open footer.liquid. Once here, you'll want to paste the embed snippet you copied from Freshdesk near the bottom of this file. Ideally, place it before the closing footer tag to ensure it loads correctly across all pages of your site. Once pasted, be sure to hit Save to store your changes. As a handy tip, if you're familiar with Shopify's Liquid files, you might consider placing this snippet before the closing body tag, which you'll commonly find in theme.liquid. This approach is a bit more advanced and is recommended by Freshdesk's developer documentation as an alternative for those who wish to have the widget accessible site-wide in a more discreet manner. And there you have it. With these steps complete, your Freshdesk Help widget should now be seamlessly integrated into your Shopify site, ready to enhance customer interactions efficiently. Remember, doing this can save you time and improve customer satisfaction by making your support tools more accessible. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this.